I'm Winnie Moranville, and this is a French method of cooking a steak. A lot of people think French cooking is difficult and time-consuming, but this recipe shows how easy everyday French cooking can be. In this particular recipe, you'll be making a simple little sauce that's made in the same pan in which you cook the steak. This is a classic French way of cooking a steak. First, start with a steak of your choice. A popular cut in France is flank steak, but you can use any steak you like, such as ribeye, sirloin, or filet mignon. Before you begin, get the ingredients for your pan sauce ready. For 4 servings of sauce, I'm going to stir together 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil and 2 tablespoons of sherry vinegar, and I'll add 1 large minced garlic clove. Also chop 2 tablespoons of snipped fresh parsley or chives, or a combination. Now, season your steak on both sides with salt and pepper. In a lightly greased skillet, sear the steak over medium-high heat on both sides. Reduce the heat to medium and cook, turning occasionally until desired doneness. For my 1-inch thick sirloin steak, I'm going to cook it about 10 minutes for medium rare. Sprinkle the steaks with herbs, then cover with foil and let it stand while you make the sauce. Drain the fat from the pan. With the pan off the heat, pour in the oil, vinegar, and garlic combination. You want to return the pan to medium heat just long enough to warm the sauce and soften the garlic a little bit. Whisk it a bit, then add a little salt and pepper to taste. Now you can simply pour the sauce over your steak and serve. And there you have it, a true to France method of cooking a steak.